Welcome guys to our session. Today we are going to learn on how to configure networks into the eNSP. This is simulation. So now that you have the eNSP successfully installed and running clearly on your machines, it's time for the most exciting part. We are moving away from the installation menus and sliding into the captain's seat. Today we are building a living, breathing network from scratch. So by the end of this session, you are not just going to see icons on the screen. You are going to understand how data moves, how routers talk, and how to command a network using the Huawei CLI. Let's dive in. So first, on my screen there, you are seeing a new topo open. So this is the screen on how the eNSP looks like when you have just launched the app. So first you open a new topo. Open a new top first. So you'll see when you look at the eNSP workspace, it's a blank white canvas. To your left, we have our digital warehouse full of enterprises equipment for absolute beginner. Navigating this can feel like staring at a massive hardware store. Let's keep it simple today. Look at the toolbar on the left. The very first icon looks like a router. Click it. You first click this. It looks like a router. You click it. After clicking it, you'll see a list of models. We're going to choose the router. We're going to choose the router on the list. So why this? Why are we choosing the router? Because it's a standard, high reliable corporate router model that handles basic routing perfectly. So click it and drag it into the white canvas, just like what I've done. Let's go. But the router needs someone to talk to. Go down at the end of the device icon, the one that looks like a laptop, and drag it to the PC. So after dragging the router needs someone to talk to. So on the same place where we have found the router, click on this device that looks like a TV. So you pick this PC so that the router can communicate to the PC. So after clicking the PC, you come and drag it and place it inside the router. Press the escape key so that the the router can't the PC cannot be added. So after dragging it, so we need a physical connection. So a physical connection, you're going to use a copper wire. So this arrow that looks like a thunder, you select that icon that looks like a thunder. So that's our cable connection too. Like we're going to use a copper. Go and click on the copper wire. So drag it and go and press on the router, one side of the router. So select the Ethernet E001, Ethernet E001, that's an Ethernet cable 001, and then drag it and plug it into Giga Ethernet 00, so that you first connected the router into the PC. And now the lights are red. That means that the interface is asleep. So when you see here the lights are red, meaning that the interface are already that are asleep. So let's click for the escape key so that you can remove the wire, the copper wire. So click on the big green screen so that you start the devices. So to start the devices, you click on this green switch, or you can just right click on the router. So you shall see the start button. Just press start so that the router can start, and also on the PC, click on the start button so that the PC can start. So wait for the green arrows to turn, for the red icon to turn green, so that the PC and the router can communicate. So thus we have created a simulation of a router and a PC. That's for today. So let's meet on the next session. Goodbye.